In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Squarespace domain to Blogger. We'll be working inside your Blogger dashboard to begin linking your custom domain. And this first part is very important because it tells Blogger which web address you want to use for your blog. Before you start, make sure you already have access to your Blogger account and that your domain is managed through Squarespace. Once you're inside Blogger, open your dashboard and select the blog you want to connect. If you manage more than one blog, take a moment to confirm you've chosen the correct one, since domain settings are applied separately for each site. After that, look to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This is where Blogger stores the main configuration options for your site, including visibility, publishing, and domain setup. You may need to scroll a little depending on your screen size, so just move down until you find the Publishing section. In the Publishing area, click on Custom Domain. This option lets you replace the default Blogspot address with your own branded domain, which looks more professional and makes your site easier for visitors to remember. Now type in your domain name using the www version, not the root version. In other words, enter it in the format yourdomain.com. This matters because Blogger expects the custom domain to be added with www at this stage. If you leave out the www, the connection may not work properly, so be careful here and make sure the address is entered exactly as intended, with no extra spaces or typing errors. Once the domain is entered, click Save. At this point, Blogger will attempt to validate the domain connection. Depending on whether your DNS settings have already been configured in Squarespace, you may see additional information or instructions from Blogger. That's normal, and it simply means Blogger is checking whether the domain is pointed correctly. A helpful tip here is to double-check the spelling of your domain before saving. Even a small typo can prevent the setup from working and lead to confusion later. It's also a good idea to keep this tab open, especially if you'll be using any details shown by Blogger in the next part of the setup. That's the first key step in connecting your Squarespace domain to Blogger. You've now told Blogger which custom web address you want to use, and you're ready to continue with the domain connection process.